The 8 funniest actor alive. When talking about comedy movies, you will often find the opinions can vary greatly about what makes a good comedy actor. There is more to it than just telling a couple of jokes, and great comedy actors are a rare breed these days. Let's take a look at some of the funniest actors that are still alive and working today. So, Will Ferrell. Granted, not all these movies have been amazing, but Will Ferrell has a certain vibe to his comedy that just works amazingly sometimes. It's hard to deny that movies like Anchorman are legendary, and it's for the most part due to Will's amazing talent. Next is Eddie Murphy. Next is Eddie Murphy's. Beverly Hills Cop was a classic action comedy series, and it does worry me a bit that there is going to be a new movies in this series. The story and comedy matched so well with the 80s vibe, and I doubt it's work in a more modern setting. That said, if Eddie Murphy believes it can work, I'm willing to give him that chance. The next actor is Johan Hill. From Superbad to 21st Jump Street to The Wolf of Wall Street, Johan Hill has comedic talent that instantly makes him one of the best comedy actors of this generation. If you just take into account how great and how different the three movies I mentioned are, that speaks volume about this man's range in acting and comedy. Next actor is Seth Rogen, generally associated with a more adolescent form of humor that generally revolves around Seth getting stoned and getting in all kinds of shenanigans. It's not hard to imagine why this actor is so divisive in the comedy world. He deserves a spot on this list though because he makes excellent movies. The next comedy actor Zac Efron. When thinking a good comedy actors, it's hard to imagine people saying Zac Efron would fit that bill. If you have seen this latest movies and projects, however, you had realized he's a genuinely funny guy. Just think of how he matches The Rock's energy in Baywatch. Next actor is Jack Galifianakis. Known mostly from The Hangover, Jack is often typecast as the somewhat weird friend whose life does not seem to be going anywhere. The actor himself is going plenty of places, though his movies keep bringing in a lot of money and keep making people laugh. So the fact that he is not the most versatile actor on this list hardly seems to matter. The next actor is Paul Rudd. It took Paul a while to break into the mainstream, but ever since he joined the MCU, everyone knows who this man is and what he is capable of when it comes to comedy. The upcoming third Ant-Man movie is apparently going to set up the big bad for the next Marvel phase. So you can Imagine this would not be the last we have heard of Paul. The next actor is Jim Carrey. It's hard to make a list of the best comedic actors without mentioning the amazing Jim Carrey. The Truman Show, Ace Ventura, all the way up Kick-Ass 2. This man has been making comedy for decades and never failed to reimagine himself and surprise audiences.